Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic situation. I am Dewan Aminul Islam, your host for today's event. Uh, the name of the event is Free Web Hosting Facilities for IEEE Student Branches, How to Make Your Own Website. Our keynote speaker will be Mr. Jamil Ishtiaq. Jamil Ishtiaq is currently the chair of IEEE Computer Society AIUB Student Branch Chapter and the website coordinator of IEEE Computer Society Team Spark. Now I would like to request Jamil Ishtiaq to start this event. Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you were.
Uh, my screen is visible now.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So I would like to thank IEEE Computer Society Bangladesh chapter for organizing such an event and giving me the opportunity to share my knowledge. This is Mohammad Jamil Istiaq, uh, currently doing my bachelor at American National University Bangladesh, mostly known as AIUB. At the same time, I am bearing with the position of chair as a chairperson of IEEE uh, AIB chapter and web coordinator of Spark team. So in the whole session, I will cover these topics: what is IEEE web hosting, how to apply for IEEE web hosting, what are the benefits, and what things IEEE offer, IEEE template, branding of IEEE site, and logo pattern for a website. Of an organization through its website, as are presenting our branch as in IT sub branches. This is very interesting to present your organization to through the worldwide and everywhere. It is through obviously web hosting. So IT web hosting, they have like many benefits. So some of our benefits are easy to handle, having full transparency, no restriction upload content, and everything will be very easy to stuff. It is free of cost, easy maintaining, and it's very common, very easy to use. And it's most important is it is run on the WordPress platform. Just drag and drop your website really very easily build it, and it is very customizable. Then come to the next slide. The IEEE offer this type of hosting categories. One is regional, area, council, section, subsections, chapters, and affinity groups. Second, student branch. Third, conference and event. Fourth, committee and student workshop, standard work. We are focusing today. The second one is student branches. So how to apply for a IEEE web hosting? First, you open a browser in your laptop, or just click IEEE web hosting. Then you will then the first link is IEEE web hosting. So click in this website. You will get the second photo, or like this site.ieee.org website. Here you can see home, IEEE hosting policy, and web hosting request. So under this web hosting request, you will find the web hosting request. So there will be 3 or 4 options for the web hosting, uh, like regional areas, council, and student chapter. Previously, I am given those subsection hosting categories. So we will select our category as student branch. So student branch categories website, it is in here edu.igp.org, and the subsectional link is web hosting request. So when you enter this website, you will find 3 menu: home, web hosting request, IEEE website templates, and contact. So if you are choosing IEEE Student Branch web hosting, then you just fill up the request form, and it will take 5 working day for the event. So if you have to put the always correct information for the when you will submit this form, they will take 5 working day. Within 5 working day, they will uh, email you and email the necessary things to given there as a proof of the IGP student branch and necessary document. After that, they will send you the email about their passwords, mails, and other things. Or if you are choosing conferences and event, then you will find this same request form, and it will also take 5 working days for their reply. If you do not get reply, then you can contact with their contact can mail there. The conference and events website link is attend.ieee.org. After that, you can apply for a committee website. So the link is cmte.ieee.org. Here is the same process. Here you can choose one more thing here. You can choose here website template requesting IEEE theme 2012, 2019, committee, society template, PES template, etc. etc. So after that, the next slide is standard group work groups. So here is the same procedure. The website is the request website is little bit different. Here is everything same form, and it will also take 5 working days for their reply. After that, I will come to the student branch. So this is the thing. After getting 5 days, when you get the email address and everything, okay, then you can start building your website. So website hosting, then the subsection you can see user instruction, help and other resources. So video tutorials and other resources, very essential for building a website. Then if you other resource, pick other resources, you the brand experience IT website, and here in this page you will find the IT 4G templates and website templates and how branding them. So let's talk about IT website branding guidelines. How can you guide it, and with their standard standard style, and their branding and color combinations and color choosing header, footer, etc. etc. So let's talk about enterprise wide meta navigation. So they have told the things is be like the event link is the link is brand experience IGP guidelines dash details guide global page element and branding requirements. So they have already provided this The placement, it should be page about the site header, how this will look, and links, how they are added here, and size will become height, 13 pixel, title, separate symbol also added here, typography and no smaller than 12 pixel, color will be light or dark, use depend on a background text or color. This is the main requirement here, website here part. This is the enterprise word meta navigation. Then will come the next slide. uh, IEEE master brand. So IEEE master brand means the IEEE logo and the main things. So IEEE placement logo and will be right on top right corner or left right corner, and the minimal pixel of this icon will be 10 pixel wide and 30 pixel of height, and color space will be either black or blue, and actually either black or blue, and the spacing or the logo will, and alternative text might be appear as IEEE without the quotation. Hyperlink must be IEEE org should be open in the same window, and other considerations they have already told it. uh, no white background behind the diamond symbol, and never used IEEE master brand as a background watermark or wallpaper. After that, the next slide is student branch website branding, site identity. The site identity is very or word marking must appear on the IEEE site. You will identify which IEEE website they are on. Uh, this is a few I have just snapped it for minimal explanation. But the other section will be here in the website, the subbranding logo guideline, and everything here is given. Just you branding website, brand experience website, and you will find all the for your IGP website. And the main thing of this, before we are talking our header of the IGP website, and now we are talking about the portion. So the for the footer section, I simply select some of the things that must, like sitemap, contact sub, accessibility, applicant policy terms, and feedbacks. And these are the requirement and how we will write here there the things and how to know, navigate the website. Everything is here. uh, like accessibility, if accessibility the link is given, you just check the link here per button. After that, I typically searching tool in the sidebar, the right corner of the website, or you can left or any place you can add this label. So label will be search, then field and button. So this is their requirement, how they want to demonstrate it in their IEEE website. And placement, design, and everything will be in here, and it will be uh, you will find these things also in the website. uh, I just note them. And now it is IEEE Fabcon. So the website Fabcon will be this type, just IEEE written, and its size will be given there. And just official sites you are required this approval. If you are doing your IEEE branches website, then you can just add your IEEE logo also here at the uh, place, or you can download the IEEE web icon, which is their official, and use this also. and the simple wireframes. So how your site will be and the how uh, page look like, their requirements or minimum things, like their minimum things is site identity warning, then IG, then footer, then copyright or header file, then navigation, page title, main body. These are their minimum requirement, or these are the basic requirements for their IEEE Student Branch website or any like conferences and the committee website. After successfully building this website and follow their guideline, you can also send review request to IEEE for the website review and evaluation. They will evaluate your website, your design, and the feedback. So just go to the website. The website is same the brand better experience IEEE. And the website just write at the bottom you will find this review and IEEE evaluation section, and here if you click the request of an IEEE review, just click it and you will get a form for the submission, and you will get the request review. So IEEE website plugins, there will be many plugins, but there are the few popular plugins: contact form, master slider, easy team members, event calendar, WSC, bakery page builder, and use SEO. So contact 7 form is basically it's a contact form when you submit the event in your website. Then in the footer portion you can add this form, contact or comments, etc., etc. And master slider is basically sliding your events, your photos, and branch photos, their committee members, pictures. This type of slider is used. And easy team members, it used for the members for IEEE website. There are many type of plugins. So if your IEEE can really log in your website through IEEE. This is the plugin. And WP event calendar is basically the plugin where you will show you will get a calendar, and in event publish the event and mark in the calendar in your website. Then SEO, W Bakery page builder is a very helpful page builder. Just you can drag and drop everything, and you will get the nice of your page. IEEE theme offers CSS library, JavaScript, jQuery, customizing header, footer, and customizer function. You can add only or pre-built option is available. Uh, then guideline for IEEE branding. IEEE branding is a very this is the website for brand experience. I might say this is the particular IEEE will get every details, everything that IEEE branding asset guideline templates are promo library, and in the temp section uh, a lot of temp, not only website get event event poster template, event magazine event template, every template here is. Even you will find here some actual uh, PowerPoint slide also, and you will find here some meeting background also. I think conventional things. Service are good services, promo library for many like yearly uh, little amount of game and other for their members to have. If you have any, if you ask, you can contact me email. Uh, that's all my presentation or slide. Thank you for spending time. If you have any question, ask. No one have any